This is John. It's July the 19th, I believe. I'm over here at Wylie Park. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Just going to document what I'm seeing here. They put up the basketball goals, so that's a good thing. Bad thing is they never hauled away the trash that the basketball goals came in. Trash is a big deal over here. Let me show you this tire. I don't know what it is about tires. They just won't haul these tires off. There's just one tire. We came over here and it's been here for months. I can document that from previous photographs and videos. I'm going to walk down here to see how the old trail's doing. It's part of the Carolina Thread Trail. When visitors come here, they want to walk the thread trail, they can come down here and walk the trail or roll the trail if they're in a wheelchair. If you've got kids that are, or old people that just want to get out and enjoy the park. This is about the only thing we got. Now this would be cool. The guy in about 2012, he wanted to put a gazebo in here. This was originally the family trail, family and handicapped individual trail. He wanted to put a gazebo so you could sit in the shade over there. People with special needs kids and the elderly could sit over there and enjoy their little piece of the park. And they wanted to see a little bit more nature. They could get on this paved road here. This is Carolina Thread Trail. And you can, if you got one of those motorized wheelchairs, you want to bring your kids or grandparents in here, this is what they got. This means a lot to the elderly folks. I came over here in December of last year. VA wanted me to lose some weight, so I came over here and figured I'd do a little walking. I always like it over here at the park. And before we go in here, I want you to look at this. Don't look too inviting, does it? Now this has been locked off since at least December of last year. And you can see it's still locked off. Matter of fact, there's spider webs hanging off of it. It's been like that for so long. I'll cut around the thing here. People do this all the time. They just walk around the barrier trying to get a little exercise, trying to get some use out of this park. City administrator says, you probably heard this many times from me, $2,300 a month is being spent over here for maintenance and upkeep. I just don't buy that. At 9 parks in Chester, so you add all that up, that comes up anywhere from $200,000 to $250,000 a year. But I'm just not seeing it, at least not here at Wylie. So where's that money going? Something bad wrong here. There's no point going on back down in there. This is actually supposed to be a 1/4 mile long. And should be able to walk around it and walk back this way and enjoy nature. It's really pretty back in here when it's fixed up. But it's not fixed up here. Hasn't been fixed up here for a very long time. And why is that? I mean, you can't even see the light of day through there anymore. It's really sad what's happened here. Let's see if I don't know if I can zoom in on this or not. I'm not very good with this stuff. Yeah, here we go. That's it. Trail ends here. $2,300 a month. been like this since, been locked off since December of 2024. I think not. I'm gonna, shut this off right now and go around to the other side over there. Last time I was over there, that's the other side, the entrance, the west side entrance to this same trail. Last time I was over there a few weeks ago, not only was the bar locked, it was been like that for so long that a bush had grown up around the lock, proving that nobody's come over here. Nobody's spending $2,300 a month on park maintenance. It'd be funny if it wasn't so sad, if we weren't being ripped off. All I can do is keep making these videos and point it out to people. It's up to them if they care or they don't care. Just don't go blaming everybody at City Hall. Most of these people that have been allowing this for years, they're no longer in office. And some of these new people, they seem to want to help things. They holding these town halls. I went to one of them, first one. But you need to still hold people accountable. Just don't go up there hollering and screaming. Just show them these videos I've been making, and just calmly and ask them to explain. That's all I got for now. Let me see if I can cut this thing off.